I've been trying to eat more soup lately. I don't know if it's good for you. If it's like better for you than other foods. But I know that you're supposed to chew your food like a lot so that it digests better. And with soup, you don't really have to chew it at all. It's kind of pre-chewed. So it's probably like really good for you. Smoothies are good for you and you don't have to chew them at all. So I just don't want to chew anymore. Is that what I really want? Do I just not want to chew? I don't know. I think I like chewing, but I'm not good at it. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to eat more soup, eat less soup and chew more, or eat more soup and chew less. I'm sure that there's a balance in there. There's a balance between soup and chewing that I can find. So, yeah, that's just how I feel today. Those are my thoughts of the day. Thank you. Thanks.